I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
So today I'm going to be sharing with you something that I absolutely love to do in the summer, cooking outside and grilling. And today's recipe I'm going to be sharing with you is a grilled Hawaiian pizza with ham, grilled pineapple, caramelized onions, garlic Alfredo white sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. So easy to make on the grill, and it's absolutely delicious. I just set up a table from Costco, throw on the grill, and blow up one of the best things I've ever bought, the little Tyke Slam and Curve water slide. My kids literally live in it all summer long. It's held up so well. One thing that makes our slides so comfortable is a hot water spigot outside. We fill it with warm water so it's almost like a bath, and sometimes even in the evenings we'll crank up the heat and it feels just like a hot tub. It's so easy to cook a pizza on the grill. Turn the grill on, close the lid, and wait for it to heat up to around 425 degrees, just like your oven. Whenever you are ready to throw your crust on there, I just have a store-bought crust so that it held together really well. If you want to do a crust from scratch, you could always just pre-bake your pizza crust in the oven and then grill it. On a night that I'm unusually tired, I have been known to throw a frozen pizza or two on the grill, and guess what? Let me tell you, it actually works out perfect. I grilled my pineapple on a medium to medium high heat. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I love that my grill has a burner so that I can boil water, make rice or noodles, or in this case, caramelize some onions for our pizza. It just makes it so handy to make a full, complete meal. I'm using a roasted garlic Alfredo white sauce. I sprinkled on some of our mozzarella cheese and seasoned with black pepper. Add your ham slices.
never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Next, add your caramelized onions.
Feeling high, feeling
And now it's time to add our grilled pineapple.
low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a
Top it with a little bit of magic seasoning.
what a fool. But if I
It's time to grill.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Top with your remaining mozzarella the cheese. Depending on the heat of your grill, between 10 and 16 minutes, it should be done. Close your grill. Oh, the cheese is melty, ooey gooey. The juicy, fresh pineapple make this a hearty yet refreshing summer meal. We got perfect grill marks on the bottom. Oh my God. If you like the video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to invite you to become part of our Epic Egbert family here. I make videos about homemaking and basically anything mom life. So if that's something you're into, definitely consider subscribing. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching. Whee! Good job. A field jump? I like it.
Like a guitar.
Kind of like a guitar?
Yeah. It just splashes water out.
Wow.
See?
Wow.
Like this. Up a toe.
Whoa.
Four toes. Back on their bellies. Feel it down. Lay on our heads.
Nice.
See that?
Yes.
Here's